Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, we have a Lenovo 340 S340 Lenovo. Okay, here we want to install a Windows operating system. Okay, a Windows 10 operating system. Okay, we can see that it's booting very well. We shall have to shut it down. Okay, it's using a Type-C charger, so we will have to disable the battery to disable the protection rights. Okay, always remember that the battery is the protection right when you have a Type-C as the charger. Always remember that, don't forget that, please. So you have seen I've disabled the battery. Okay, so that's the Type-C charger. We have plugged it, and so we are going to start up. We'll press escape, refresh button and power button together and press enter, continue. Okay, the control D. Okay, to build from developer mode. Okay, this is quite straightforward installation. It's just that I have this Chromebook and I have not installed I've not done a video on how to install on this Lenovo, so I decided to do a video on it today. Alright, so you can see it's loading, and this video is going to be an extra bonus. I'm going to show you different after installing the Windows. I'm going to still show you on how you have to install your drivers. Okay, alright, drivers that like the display drivers. You can install display drivers on this Chromebook, and you can install your mouse and I think your key, your sound, you have to buy it. Okay, and I don't have access to buy from Nigeria yet. Okay, so now we're almost done. We have put our details and we are in the desktop. So we press Ctrl Alt forward key. Alright, to get to here, we type in root, we type in our code Chromebook OS set dev pass. Alright, we set the password. Admin is the password. After setting in the password, we go to our Chrome site, MrChromebox site, and copy in the code. We are copying in the code now. Yes, after copying, Ctrl Alt T terminal to get to this terminal shell. Then you type shell. After typing shell, you put in your code, then you put in your password you created, which was admin. Alright, it will now boot and gets to where we have to load our new firmware. Alright, so after loading our new firmware, that is when I'm going to still show you how to install the drivers, the necessary drivers. Okay, you can see from here that our WP is which is our protection right, is disabled. Okay, you have to accept this. Alright, let's accept. Okay, continue. Press Y to continue. Okay, we back up our firmware in our flash, plug in a flash, and it has backed up. Press enter to continue. Then it will download the new firmware. Okay, so after the downloading of the new firmware, we have to restart the system, and we are doing that. Okay, now the new firmware. Alright, we are loading in our new firmware. We plug in our flash drive, which have Windows 10 Lite and other Windows on it. Press escape to boot from the flash. Okay, after pressing escape, you get to boot menu, then your flash drive. Then we have selected Windows 10 Lite. Okay, so we just have to wait. It gets to where we have to delete all the necessary storage device. We delete all of this and create a new partition. After creating a new partition, then we have to install. Okay, we have to just wait for a while for it to install. Alright, if this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, share these videos to your friends, to your loved ones, to those that need this video, and please do well to help me to inform others about this, and also you can also drop your comments and also drop your comment what you think we should do. Okay, I've seen someone dropped on an HP LIbook LAG8. all right, I'm going to do a video on that. Okay, so we are almost done. We are getting to the desktop. Okay, we are going to show you how to insert the drivers. We are going to use a snappy driver to first of all install our display drivers. Okay, it is compatible with snappy driver. You use a snappy driver to install our display drivers and also our Wi-Fi drivers. All right, the Wi-Fi is not working, and also the Bluetooth also will work. You can see there the Intel HD graphics will be installed. After that being installed, we now have to go to CoStack website and show you how to. I'm going to show you how to download your drivers using CoStack. All right. So firstly, I'm going to install Chromebook. All right. So first I'm going to insert my network. I have done that. That was pretty short because I didn't want to show you my details of my password. Okay, all right, so I have to install Chrome. After installing Chrome, then I'm going to show you how to go through their site. First of all, I've just installed WinRAR to help me extract Chrome browser, sorry. So it's installing. After installing, after installing, all right, as we said, we are going to see how to drive it using a CoStack. All right, we type CoStack. All right, code.org. Yeah. Okay, go to Chrome. All right, let's first of all I think we have to know the model number. Let's just click here, and the product is Lenovo, as you know. Okay, now the processor. I think the processor is the information, and the processor is what we need to know. All right, here the processor. That's what we used to use and determine the kind of drivers and the model number of the system. Okay, what we need here in these drivers is just we need the mouse. Okay, this is not the mouse. We just need the mouse. The other is the touchpad. Then what again do we need? Okay, all right, touchpad is downloaded. Then we have to run it. Okay, let's select and know which of them it is. It's not this one. Let's run it again. Okay, all right, we select, and this one is working. All right, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, follow me up for more videos like this. Thank you.